Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to draw the winner of our 1000 subscriber giveaway, and we'll give you some insight in the latest MoBro updates. So first of all, we've got 1700 entries, and that is a lot, so thank you guys for participating. Now let's talk about what your winner is actually going to get. As we mentioned in the announcement video, we've created another Fallout hardware monitoring terminal in MoBro style, and I think it turned out pretty great. If you didn't win and still want one for yourself, check out the 3D models, they're linked down below. And also, there's a setup guide video, it's linked here in the video and also down below if you want to know how to set up a hardware monitoring terminal for yourself with the Raspberry, like this one. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm now going to show you some updates on our MoBro software. We're now out of alpha and currently third beta version. As you can see, the interface changed a bit to make it more user-friendly. And now you can also customize the data you want to have displayed on your Windows application. You can do that by adding widgets to the interface, like this one. Here you can even choose your preferred data gathering source. We ship Libre and Open Hardware Monitor, and if you install Hardware Info, you can also use their data as well. We also have a brand new Devices tab. Here you can see all the devices that are currently connected to your MoBro software. And if you don't want to use a Raspberry or a phone, you can just click this button and move the browser to a secondary screen. We're going to create an in-depth video about all these new features as soon as we're finished with the customization feature on the Raspberry side. If you want to know more about all of that, you can check out our new forum, it's linked down below. You can discuss themes, software and updates, or just have a chat with us. And also, we've now got a Patreon. If you want to have behind the scenes access and also access to more themes and get the software a little bit early, it's a benefit of being a patron. Support us there, it's really appreciated. And also, now, I think it's time to draw the winner. And the winner is Will from Wisconsin. So congratulations to you. We're going to pack this up, ship it to you. If you want to share some pictures on social media, don't forget to mention us. And for all the other guys, new content is coming your way very soon. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and see you guys next time.